Mentri Rangbah ka Sarkar Jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma menta ka arterik urumpang arajar arpuar ulepli ke jeka penmi jan lanet hanjan ha ke jeka ajing hikai jongka Nela Handloom and Silk Production Unit kabadan hamau ka siang umro. Haka jing pli kap ribon lai don lang UMLA ka maurun keneng constituency uba peniat Singsim, Commissioner jonga textile uba FR Kharkongor, Director ka Sericulture and Weaving, CB Sangma, baruturai bapeni ia kejain Nela Handloom and Silk Production Unit kom Training Center uba James Idkhar. Mentri Rangbah ham jingkren ulong baga sarkar barbor ke judan hasenda jongki khun samla ki badan ia ka thong ban sengkam sengjam katkum ke benta ke bagidon. Haka jing sengkam sengjam ke judan ke jing tenju henry ke jing posniu ke bajuan ke long ke bajob. Ka lentia jong uba James kalong shisha ka ba omla ban mudur kalong pat ka jing ai man sim yaki para samla ki badan ka thong ban sengkam bakim dei ban rej pensngo Mentri Rangbah. Shushu kum ka jing kersian ban ai man sim Mentri Rangbah ka jela ula Pynbna ro ba un ai sngoba shipholak tengka na ka financial assistant jong ka chief minister relief fund ya uba James Idkhar ubri utrai jong ka Nela Handloom and Silk Production Unit na ka banta ban kentiu yaki kam bat penyo ru yaki kor ki bor ki batamai. La banong bau James Idkhar ude proprietor ka Textile Production Unit kemudian hamau ka siang umro ubala yoru iganam Entrepreneur of the Month Award ha ubana January arjar khat kendai. Ka Nela Handloom Training Center ka dek benengkong ka Fly Loom Training Center kemudian ha India.
Hello.
Ada.
Come on, should be there in the picture also. You can just be like that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Here today doing what he believes is right. And that's really something that's truly inspiring. Fund for you to buy the additional 5 looms that you require. And this, I feel, will go a long way in not just your production, but it'll also take forward the cause that you have taken up, which is to really show the pride of us being able to make our own traditional clothes. And that's really what has been driving you. And it's such a noble cause that I cannot say no to it when you ask me for support and help, especially when you're doing such a noble thing, which should be, as I said, inspiring all of us. So I hope with these 10 lakhs, you will be able to expand and buy more machines, and you'll be able to help others also come up with it. So we should always believe and follow their passion and never give up in spite of all the challenges they may face.
We do encourage more youths to come forward. Like But James is very right and correct example as a young entrepreneur who will in future be bright.